This recent terrible earthquake has left an estimated 1 million people homeless. The death toll is currently at 587 and rising daily. Thousands of Ecuadorians have been injured. Remote areas are not receiving enough help in spite of excellent government action. They need our help now. We can make a big difference in giving what we can. They need tents and outdoor supplies such as coolers, lamps, flashlights, insect repellent, and especially tents. The Coleman's Camping Gear Company fortunately is giving Cheer Up Missions a 30% disaster relief discount, and Copa Airlines has generously offered to fly the donations to Ecuador free of charge. 2 ways you can contribute. 1. Order directly from Coleman's under the Cheer Up Missions 30% discount account. Or 2. Donate online on our website at cheerupmissions.org, and we will order the supplies for you. Your donations are tax deductible as Cheer Up Missions is a 501c3 charity. Coleman's will ship all supplies directly to Jose Luis, our volunteer in Chicago, who will personally deliver donations to Copa Airlines. Benji Pacini will receive donations in Guayaquil, Ecuador, and transport them to volunteers at Ground Zero. Thank you so much for putting your love into action.